Hey guys, so I've been using Hulu for the past month and a half, and for those of you who don't know what Hulu is, it's basically the TV version of Netflix, so you're able to stream TV on demand at any time that you want. And normally I don't really see the value of signing up for these services just because I don't consume too much media, but actually I picked up Hulu because Amex had an offer where you could get $5 back per month for a certain amount of time. And this offer is available to anybody who owns an American Express card. So for me, I had used this on my American Express Blue Cash Everyday credit card. And I will put my referral link down below so you guys can sign up for this as well. If you don't have an American Express card, it's a no annual fee credit card. So it's really easy to get to. I had already done a full review video on this particular card. If you are interested, the link to that video will be at the end of this video. But anyways, that's how you take advantage of this particular offer. So what this means is after that free 30-day trial period, I'm only paying 99 cents per month to get unlimited streaming of TV shows and even movies, which is actually pretty great if you think about it. So in this video, I'll be diving into the reasons why I really like Hulu, and maybe you guys should consider picking it up yourself. So the first reason to consider Hulu is the really inexpensive starting price of $5.99 a month. This is with ads, but the ads are not terrible in any way, and obviously you can be doing something else in between those ads, just like you have for TV, but except that you can stream any kind of TV show, search it up whenever you want, and watch it whenever you want. And there are other plans available if you just don't want to have the ads. So there's like the no ad version, and then there's also certain ones if you want live streaming, and then live streaming without ads, and other package options that you can add on to if you are into a specific channel. So you definitely have a lot of options to fit your TV consumption needs there. My second reason on my list would be the wide variety of genres and categories that you can watch. You can see here you can follow certain networks as well as certain TV show lineups, and then all you have to do is use this plus button to add it to your kind of My Stuff collection that you can easily access at any time. And there are a handful of movies, though again Hulu is really mainly for TV shows, so that's really where this strives over Netflix, which is more movie based. But you can definitely see that this can tailor to anybody's interest. There's got sports, anime, comedy, drama, romance, news even, and there's also kid-friendly specific TV shows and movies if you needed to tailor your content specifically for your kids. And speaking of kid-friendly, there's actually a mode where you can just switch on to make it only kid-friendly for a particular account. And you can make up to 6 different accounts. So maybe you have 6 different people in your family who have different tastes. Then they can save their specific preferences per account. And then you can limit what your kids can see via the kid-friendly toggle. That way they won't accidentally watch some mature content. And then the third reason to get Hulu would be the availability of which you can stream your content from. So obviously you can stream it from your laptop, anything that's connected to the internet, and then you can also have it on your mobile devices, your phone, your tablet, as long as you can download the Hulu app. And then of course you can put it on your TV as well, as long as you have a smart TV that can download the Hulu app, or you can simply buy something inexpensive like the Roku streaming stick, which I have also reviewed, to stream all different kinds of these kinds of subscription services. And Hulu is smart enough to pick off exactly where you left off. Let's say you left off midway in a show and then you wanted to pick it right up the next day, you can, and it'll remember exactly which episode you were in and to the minute that you were left on. My fourth reason is that you're not locked into the subscription at any time. So if you either wanted to upgrade or downgrade, you can do so at any time and they'll reimburse you for the difference. Or if you just find that you're not watching Hulu as much as you used to, you can always either put the subscription on hold, so that way you can keep all your preferences and everything, and maybe in a few months you might pick it up again, then you can just resume as before. Or you can just simply cancel if you just know that you don't want to do Hulu anymore, and you don't have to worry about any kind of cancellation fees or anything like that. And then my fifth reason, and actually my main reason for making this video, is the fact that you get a $10 referral bonus if you can get your friend or whoever to sign up for Hulu. So after watching this video, if you think Hulu is right for you and you would like to support the channel, please consider using my referral link down below to sign up for the service. You get 1 month trial completely free, and you can always cancel during that time. If you find that Hulu is just not right for you, as long as you cancel within that 30 days, you won't be charged. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have a specific request in seeing if your particular TV show is offered by Hulu, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you.